Welcome to another Dan vlog. Coming from Hurricane, Utah, about 40 minutes outside Zion, doing a trip with some college, high school, and adult friends all getting together from all places of the country to check out some of the national parks and see these sites. Let's see what it looks like. 1,000 feet down, yeah. All right, we stopped at Zion Guru. Got geared up for the trip. Boots reserved for the Narrows hike tomorrow, then e-bike for Sunday. Now we're headed off to Bryce Canyon. That's the Navajo Loop Trail that we might go do.
Oh, I'm gonna do that?
Go down.
Oh, I think so. We're gonna do this hike. You ought to be breathing here. Yeah.
There goes Marcus. There goes Marcus. He's going.
This is actually really fun filming like this. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. He's an influencer. I got nothing.
All right, Marcus, what was your favorite part of the park today?
Just being with my friends. Yeah.
All right, Zach and I are in the back seat. Yep. Pretty successful. We got about 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes back. We'll see y'all at 5 a.m. Right, moon's still out, but roosters are calling us to action. Heading out to go to the Narrows, trying to catch the first shuttle. May not make it, but oh God, you gotta love an adventure when you start before the sun rises, stars up. I'm super excited. Loaded up, got waterproof booties and shoes we rented, some poles for balance. Wide array of optimism about how wet we're gonna get.
We're gonna get super wet.
I think I'm staying dry the whole time.
You wet?
All right. Main reason I did this hike, you know, I gotta find an excuse to take my clothes off at some point. Yeah. Get into some too narrow type areas. We're gonna keep pushing it, and the water's so nice, hoping that we're gonna do some swims.
How can I protect you when you cross the ocean? I'm thinking about swimming, 'cause I've been waiting so long.
Okay, so we've hit a Y junction, and where are we going, Mike? I think we're going. Yeah, we're right to a series of waterfalls up this way that dead ends. Then we're gonna come back that way, which I think is called Wall Street, and we can kind of pick and choose how far we want to push.
We're going swimming.
Been counting days like prison, been making notches on my wall.
Holes. All right, guys, next challenge. What for lunch, you might ask? Wrap pizza! So we learned, if you're a Brandon Sanderson fan, that this was some of the inspiration for the chasm. So Mike, what should we worry about?
Journey before destination, my friend. You're worried about chasm fiends.
I mean, frickin' chasm fiends.
Speak friend and enter. Narrow and steep. Probably coming up to some swimming pretty soon. It's really, truly an out-of-the-world experience in here.
All right, Zach with the first real swim of the day.
Oh, dude, beautiful.
So we got a little bit of rain, trying to be conscientious that if it starts coming down heavy, we're in slot canyons and they get wet fast. And they'll fill up fast, and we don't want that kind of adventure. Talked to some people, we got 15 more minutes until we get to kind of the end of this area of spring. We're gonna stop there and call it a hike, and then gotta hike all the way back out, but with the water.
Oh, dude, this is sick. This is really cool. Like out cool.
And I can check this out.
Shall we?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, look at this. This is
All right, rain picked up for real this time. We better double time it.
on our way out as safe as we can be. Just gorgeous though. Just gorgeous.
All right, gents, I think that's the end. All right, we did it. All right, we're on day 3 of the trip. We're breaking this up, so new adventure starting today. We're doing e-bikes through the park. Everyone's in tip-top shape, ready to go. River comes down, goes along here, and then what do we got here? Bend buddies.
Bend buddies.
Finish up this little hike here. Back on the bikes. All right, we're gonna go check out Court of the Patriarch.
Jake, here's a peek.
Running out real quick, get a little sunset view. I think that wraps it up for the park today. Okay, we're supposed to do a little scamper. Definitely a little more than a hike. But it's such a sick hike. Wow. Alright, sweet little hike up to the ridge line. Looked over the whole town of Hurricane. Saw the moon rising over yonder. Alright, Marcus and I are jumping on our private jet. Finish it off. It was a great trip. See you next time.
Peace.